Welcome to Word Blenders.
I prepare my breakfast. I prepare my breakfast. I make tea or coffee. I make tea or coffee. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I listen to a podcast. I listen to a podcast. I stretch at home to wake up my body. I stretch at home to wake up my body. I meditate every morning to start my day feeling calm. I meditate every morning to start my day feeling calm. I call my parents every week. I call my parents every week. I get changed in my room. I get changed in my room. I put on my shoes first. I put on my shoes first. Then I tie my laces. Then I tie my laces. I leave the house. I leave the house. I go to work. I go to work. I work on my computer for many hours. I work on my computer for many hours. I attend to meetings every Monday morning. I attend to meetings every Monday morning. I take a lunch break. I take a lunch break. I have lunch with my friend. I have lunch with my friend. I send an email to my boss about the meeting. I send an email to my boss about the meeting. I finish work at 5:30. I finish work at 5:30. I go home walking every day after work. I go home walking every day after work. I arrive home tired after a long day. I arrive home tired after a long day.